Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is spicy chickpea burgers. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. And this is one burger I will eat, and you're listening to a man who's never had a McDonald's in his life. That's straight up, I've never had a McDonald's hamburger in my life, and proud of it I am too. Anyway, on with the cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a suitably sized pan. Add the onions and fry off until they start to take on a bit of colour. When this is done, it's time to add the garlic and ginger and mix in and continue to fry off for a minute or two. When this is done, turn the heat off under the onions, add the paprika, cumin powder, chilli powder and salt and pepper to taste and mix through in the warm pan. And when this is done, put to one side and allow it to cool. When the onion mixture has cooled down enough, it's time to move on to the next step. Which is place the chickpeas, onion mixture, parsley and coriander leaves with the flour into a food processor and blitz until the right consistency is achieved. We find you get the best results if you pulse the food processor. And you should have something that looks like this. And when you reach this point, place the mixture onto a chopping board, divide into 2 equal pieces and form into burger shapes. How hard can that be? When this is done, place each burger onto a piece of grease-proof paper and place in the fridge for 15 minutes to firm up a bit. Then you're ready to cook. And to cook these burgers, simply heat the remaining oil in the frying pan to a medium to low heat. Place the burgers in the pan and fry in each side for 4 to 5 minutes. When this is done, turn the heat up to high and fry on each side for a further 1 minute to crisp them up. And there you have it, spicy chickpea burgers. I know I said I've never had a McDonald's hamburger in my life, which is true. But don't worry about your shares in McDonald's. My wife and children are made up for my shortcomings. Hope you enjoyed this recipe and you give it a go sometime. Feel free to subscribe, share and like. And hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.